Barangay Official, headed by Honorable Joel de Costanzo. Our beloved teachers led by Mrs. General and Brilliantly, managing parents, fellow computers, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. This is a day that makes sense for us to classrooms await our moving up program. After 1 year of getting up early, walking to school, but meet our parents, every time they confess to us to read and get why none of you want to play. After all these struggles we have spent in this world and making it kabataan Pilipino para sa katatag na kinabukasan. Ang bagong Pilipinas is our team. This year's moving us program is true we serve as the pillars for the future of our nation. If we don't have education, the dear parents will have to put sacrifice for our education. Teachers and the elders in the community will not become the pillars for the future of our nation. If we do not have education, but we cannot do it ourselves with the guidance of our parents, teachers, and elders in the community, and we will not become strong pillars in the future of our nation. Dear parents and us to fight for our education. For tomorrow. For tomorrow and together success. Before I end up my speech, let me say thank you, dear teachers, for the gift of learning music in our young minds. Thank you, Daddy and Mama, for your love, and thank you, Lord, for all teachers in our lives. Give us back all the glory to your mabuhay.
So, ayan mga ka-faith, maraming salamat po sa iyong panunood. Salamat ang takarating kayo sa dulo ng aking video. Naway hindi po kayo magsawang sumuporta sa aking channel. Ang katagang lagi kong iniiwan sa inyo, huwag tayong magtanim ng galit sa ating mga puso, kundi panatiliin ito ng pagmamahal upang mas lalo pa tayong daluyan ng pagpapala ng ating puong may kapal. Ingat-ingat po! Love you all! God bless!